Introducing the first in a new line of LC power tools, backed by the innovative team at Lake Country Manufacturing. UDOS is the first professional machine polisher to offer a user-defined orbital stroke. UDOS includes 4 different random orbit choices, allowing detailers to get more work done with just one tool. Easily adjust the orbit with a simple turn of the front collar. UDOS does the job of 4 separate tools. The revolutionary design is a result of hundreds of hours of field research with professional detailers. It's powerful enough to make quick work of large surfaces and versatile enough to do sanding, cutting, and finishing. UDOS has the most powerful motor on the market. The pad, the backing plate, and the tool are all dynamically balanced to offer detailers comfort and control. An easily adjustable variable speed control solidly engages and lets you choose the right speed for the job. The ergonomic design includes a thick anti-slip rubber grip that reduces vibration. The front bump-out grip gives you added control. 2 non-marring rubber bumpers on top keep UDOS stable when placed upside down. No tilting, rolling, or scratching of the finish. The engineered tough cord exits the tool in a locked upward position to match how most detailers use power tools. UDOS, the first 4-in-1 random orbit polisher designed to be powerful, versatile, and precise for a perfect swirl-free finish.